Have you ever baked a cake? If you've tried to bake a chiffon versus sponge cake, you may have noticed how a tiny tweak in mixing or adding a little oil can make one cake tender and moist while the other light and bouncy. This is because the protein and starch that you add into the cake knit into different internal networks, and that network is what sets the cake texture. My PhD research lives in another kind of baked network, rubbers, a type of material that we rely on almost everywhere, from rubber bands and tires to medical gloves and kitchen spatulas. They're made of millions of long molecular strands that are tied together into a stretchy polymer network. And just like cakes, tiny differences in that network can completely change how a rubber performs. And those differences are often just very small flaws in the network structure, or what we call defects. Like some links may be spaced unevenly, some are longer, some are shorter, some strands may be loose, some may never get tight in at all. These invisible flaws can show up as very real problems. Tires may blow out, gloves may tear, and rubber bands may snap much more easily. So, it is critical for us to understand how exactly these flaws can impact a material's performance. But this is where it gets tricky, because in the real cases, many different kinds of flaws can show up at once, and they're all mixed together. So when a material performs poorly, it's really difficult to pinpoint which flaw is actually responsible for that. In my research, I made a rubber network that doesn't contain any internal flaws, which presents as the best case rubber. Using this as a controlled platform, I can then introduce one specific defect at a time, on purpose, with precise control. This allows us to isolate the effect of each defect and directly connect what happens on the molecular level to what we can see at a scale of real materials. By teasing apart the defects one by one, my work turns the rubber design from trial and error into something predictable. And with that, we can really control what's going on inside and bake the perfect cake with the exact texture we want. Thank you.